So in this video, we're going to look at how you can turn a hexadecimal number into a denary number. So first thing to note is that hexadecimal is made up of nibbles. So in this case, we've got two nibbles here of numbers. Hexadecimal ranges from the number 0 all the way up to the number 15, which is represented as an F, because once we go above 9, we go to characters. So A becomes 10, B becomes 11, C becomes 12, and so on. So there are 16 different values you can store in a hexadecimal, kind of nibble between 0 and 15, hence why it's known as base 16. So the method's quite simple, really. What you do is you multiply the left value by 16 to start with. So what we do here, if I just zoom in, so we multiply by 16 the left value here, and then we multiply by 1 the right value, okay? So if we do that, so if I work it out down here, so in the first one, so 16 times 5 gives us 80, okay? So 16 times 5 gives us 80, and then 6 times 1 gives us 6. So we simply add that onto the end, which gives us 86. So 56 in hexadecimal turns into 86 in denary, or decimal. Let's do the next one, okay? So let's imagine we got AC. So this time we're using these values, which are over here, to represent these. So what I do, as I said before, I multiply the left value by 16, and I multiply the right value by 1. So we multiply those like so. So I know that A equals 10. So 16 times 10 gives us 160. C times 1 is 12, so 12 times 1 gives us 12, so add that onto the end, which gives me 172. So AC in hexadecimal turns into 172 in denary. And there you go. That's how you turn a hex number into denary.